Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0544S in color code 001. It's a black color frame. It has double GG Gucci logo in gold on the side of the temples. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are a gray gradient color. And then it has the Gucci logo engraved on the right lens. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.